So I've got my 4-piece set here. These are a magnetic set. I love these. These are so strong and useful. When you're working around the car, whether it's underneath or on top, and you want somewhere just to go ahead and put your tools, your nuts, your bolts, things like this, this is super helpful. These have magnets all the way through here, so they're super strong. They're made really nice. The stitching is all good. We've got 3 magnetic mats, all different sizes, and then we also have one tool. Now this tool is 31 inches, it's telescopic. We've got a magnet here on the end, and there's also a clip right here. If you want to, you could go ahead and just put this into a pocket. So if you drop anything in the vehicle, or anywhere for that matter, you can go ahead and reach it. Let me show you how strong these are. So I got 2 full-size wrenches right here. I'm gonna put them on my mat. Look how strong that is. I mean, this is great. This is definitely gonna hold my tools and they're not gonna fall off at all. So I've got my set of sockets here. Look at that. That is super strong. These magnets are strong whether you're using this extension or on the mats too. They make great gifts. I really like being able to use it in my vehicle. Well, them underneath maybe a kitchen sink or something, and I'm having bolts spread out. I can keep them all in one place and they're not going to go anywhere. Hope you found this review helpful.